So can you see the screen, the Excel sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the previous class, we talked about the transportation problem. And quick recap, we have done a balanced transportation problem in which the supply and the demand is equal. Whereas in this case, today's class will be discussing about the unbalanced transportation problem where the supply and the demand is not equal, or in one case, supply can be greater than demand, or in another case, supply can be lesser than the demand. For the balanced transportation problem, we find the initial basic feasible solution by a method called row minima method, then a matrix minima method, then northwest corner rule, then Vogel's approximation method. So these are the different methods to find the initial basic feasible solution. Then with that initial basic feasible solution, we can find the optimal solution using stepping stone method and modified distribution method or UV method. Okay. Today we're gonna look into the unbalanced transportation problem. So in this case, the demand is not equal to the supply. So if you see the sum of all the demands is just 900 units, whereas the supply is 1000 units. This is a typical example of demand being less than the supply. So to compensate that, what we will be doing is we will be creating a dummy column. So since the demand is lesser, so we'll be creating a column, and the what do you call the difference amount will be put in this particular column, and we'll allocate the dummy transportation cost. So we'll give 0, 0, and 0. Okay. So this will be our the dummy column with the differential. I can change the color so to differentiate. Yeah. So this is a dummy column, and so that we will be adding. So the next case where the supply is greater than the demand. So which means that in this case we have got the I think it's the demand being 1000 here. So when you add up all these things, it becomes 1000, but the supply is just 900. So which means that demand is greater than supply. So which means that we need a supply thing. So which means that we'll add a row, dummy row. So dummy row that has transportation cost of 0, 0, 0, and 0. Then the differential amount is put in here. So this is 100. So because the total supply is 900 and demand is 1000, so the difference is 100. So that amount we're gonna put it in here. So all of you able to understand this two particular concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the procedure for solving the for finding the initial basic feasible solution and final basic feasible solution is the same. So there's no other difference. Only this kind of an adjustment is what it is required for an unbalanced transportation problem. So what I'm going to do is um, I'll just give some time so that you can do find initial basic feasible solution by Vogel's approximation method and final optimal solution by Modi method. Okay. I'll upload this particular document in your Excel, I mean the class notes, so that you can take up this Excel and you can start working on, or if you have a notebook, you can even start working on it. Okay.